Witr prayer. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, make witr as your last prayer at night. There should be no prayer after it. There are two methods of praying witr. First, praying 3 rak'ahs with 2 tashahhud, 2 rak'ah and 1 alone. In this method, you would essentially pray 2 rak'ahs, units of prayer, complete them with tashahhud and salam, and then pray an additional single rak'ah with its own tashahhud and salam. It is sunnah to recite Surah Al-Ala in first rak'ah, Surah Al-Kafirun in second rak'ah, and Surah Al-Ahad in third rak'ah in witr prayer. There is also a dua in the last rak'ah after ruku. Second, praying 3 rak'ahs with 1 tashahhud. Praying 3 rak'ahs of witr prayer with 1 tashahhud at the end, but not like Maghrib. The first method, praying 3 rak'ahs with 2 tashahhud, 2 rak'ah and 1 alone, and dua in the last rak'ah. Now we'll recite dua.
Allahumma ahdini fi man hadayt, وعافني فيمن عافيت وتولني فيمن توليت وبارك لي فيما أعطيت وقني شر ما قضيت فإنك تقضي ولا يقضى عليك إنه لا يذل من واليت ولا يعز من عاديت تباركت ربنا وتعاليت.
And finish the prayer. The first method is completed. Now the second method. Pray first rak'ah, second rak'ah, and in third rak'ah will recite dua after ruku.
اللهم اهدني فيمن هديت وعافني فيمن عافيت وتولني فيمن توليت وبارك لي فيما أعطيت وقني شر ما قضيت فإنك تقضي ولا يقضى عليك إنه لا يذل من واليت ولا يعز من عاديت تباركت ربنا وتعاليت.
Now finish the prayer. And the second method is also completed. And after completing witr, Prophet, peace be upon him, recite
سبحان الملك القدوس سبحان الملك القدوس سبحان الملك القدوس
3 times. And last one with little loud voice.